Athramora edisi kamio tonglai belaikan kamio tonglai rok kebangma jora angka nangani tui belaikan jengjal anggai tongka lukol rok saka anggai tonglai departmental lukurok kebangma jora kok salai pano tabuk jora permanent solution mania abo simia tabuk tonglai tui nangnai system bo regular ke samung tanya aboni bagino je tui rizak mani quality bo kaham angya aboni bagino am jani bororok salbrum nangani tui kaham maya tui kathar maya belaikan jengjal kalaijak abo hai party mongo naisugui fa salo eba Friday salo am jaino naikolka 11 mohorani ADC Center ni MDC Boramgona Utpol Dabburma Naikolmani sikang bo mungya kamini DWS ni official thangai Naikolani samung tangna rokbai kok salaikya Birput Nokba TV
mo karen toliya diba
toliya kepa toliya election pro toliya election pro gender ba kisan chalo ko put idea horu
so
inde amung kaya sorang koi mana kun sor kana lek ka ta
okay how far is from here
this meter ni
this meter
itu sama sugir dong jangan sini pak itu
Muslim means
mana orang pun pan kari jakan pan aja kita buang kota
man created na
itu bono singgo ke kemaro singga initial filter singgo to harus bisa level to gas api lo kita tahu kita ini initial filter tahu among ke sini filter kota filter kam terus filter एक नंबर पुला हमने ये चेंबर इंदा चेंबर तो रहा पुला पे हमारी कोरों के देख पास नहीं मने फोटो पासपोर्ट की कोरों में जा रहा तो चेंबर जान घर हाथी से चेंबर मत चेंबर उधर कमनी को चेंबर तो ना मोटो जी ने यार मैंने पूछे तो बता साम से
okay
हम ये सोलर भाई और हम ये सीधे कमी था वो
feet na
और
approximately 50 feet
ये तारों के
actually chin schedule mote tini jeng belaikang kamio faijak which is around 25 kilometer length ne jaga wo on foot jeng faine nango minimum 2 hours kanani fru minimum 3.5 hours nangnai as I said agio bo chini am sayo tini problem blakin tongo atro mura bo kaisa so tini nai lekha the engineer bo mang nei tongo DWS mongya block ni mongle SD mongya SDU ni tabu ko tan simi around 300 meter tolau ti tongo azan simi tikita saka wa thangai cheng mane yo tui from the 25 meters song nai first phase bora jaga filter khayan ni ko apni yaglo tola fiber khayan ni ko accordingly tini mo solar panel by fiber ti sosa nai tui sosai borok saka stock tene saka stock khlai borok all the household over distribute khaine abongkha innovative as a project after complete dia because of many reasons but bro am assurance result within 3 months 1 month within 1 month bro complete khaine kai to ne hamre be tumo bro complete khai kan kai mo am se ni bro rok tui alai da maya phono at least tui kukre tui kaham bro man nai and abuno chini aim and objective tini ang simia including the entire DWS ni staff rock borbo belakhin serious belakhin concern borbo kaise goal 2 in a 5 hours ago otherwise I don't think anyone do you want to kimi other fight nai so note khai kapna it has been noted ang next week ono monoti salai nai concern department by reason simani ulo sing tamu klaiman sing nai tumung electric department current rohani me yangai sing alternative ni wagi wan su nai solar order di mana sing nai in fact ang already solar department boror bebe kok salai jak je jaga current sogiya they are very much willing to help borok very much reason bari bati atmo